All right, finally, here we go. Day 11. I'm in so much pain because I pulled something in my spine. Basically, reopened my spine injury again. So, got to recover from that. But it's back day either way. So, we can go ahead and get this done and over with. I think it's going to be pretty quick today. I'm just going to focus on strength, weights. Yeah. So, it's going to focus on strength and weight today. And I guess basically just doing everything right so I don't hurt anything else. All right, got the straps on. This is really just gonna help me get whatever last rep I can get with this drop set. So, and it'll be overall better in the end too for optimal flow. That's just that. Let's go ahead and move on. So, I was just talking to myself about these fucking dumbbell rows, and I'm just like, really the I mean, the placement isn't really gonna matter as long as you can really align your back with the bench. Well, I wouldn't say like align it, but kind of keep it straight, you know, uh, and just get that, that really good stretch and then that hold, that squeeze, the dumbbell. I mean, it's gonna be good either way. So, I'm gonna throw my leg out there further, especially for like hitting 80s, which is what I'm probably gonna start with, and then probably end with two, just because that's just gonna be heavy as fuck. Um, but I'm gonna use the same process as if like I get 6 to 8 with each arm. If I get, especially if I get up to 8, I'm gonna move up to 90 or 85. So let's just hit this and get it over with. Actually, we'll go down from here. So let's hit a 75. More of a squeeze. So we'll do 6 to 8 this time instead of just trying to hit 8. That's pretty good. That's exactly what I wanted to do. That like 1.5 second squeeze. You know? So that's good. That's good. Um, we'll stick with the 75. We'll do that again. This time, straight to 8. Just bust it out. Let's go ahead and move on. Another weird freaking angle, but hopefully that works. I mean, it's just regular lat pull downs. I mean, nothing really amazing to see, but let's start with 120. Okay, maybe that person didn't want to be in the video, which is fine, but sorry. It's just with me. We go, bam. Okay. was just looking at it and I was like, you see how quick it really only takes like one set to really get them pumped. But I'm really trying to, like I said, target the side belts and the fucking straps too. You know, so I'm gonna be doing I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab 25 or 20 and then and then ooh, but you know what? I know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I know what I'm I accidentally did record this last part, but get the cables with well, rear belts with cables. You know, but I'm gonna go ahead and do the middle part of my back, and then well, it's gonna be middle part of my back, upper well, trap, rear trap. Yeah, so really, you want to bring those to your fucking face. Bring it to your fucking face with a brick your nose. Anyways, uh, I'm gonna go over a little bit. gotta work comes because I did not pull up. Walking the spot 50 deep with the till I didn't know that it's us. So out of the cookout. He's gonna shrug real quick and then I think we may go post down after. It's not about the running. Right. I'm done here. Fucking leave. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh. Yeah. I didn't even really touch lower back today, but that's fine. Okay. All right. I hope that looks okay. Ugh. Whew. Let's get up out of here. Oh.